It's no secret that electricity is needed to keep every building running. Electricians are the technicians responsible for getting that electricity everywhere it is needed. In TSTC's electrical construction program, located at our Waco, Marshall, New Braunfels, Fort Bend County, and Harlingen campuses, you learn to design, install, and maintain both residential and commercial wiring systems through extensive hands-on training. You will also be familiarized with blueprints, building codes, and the latest in OSHA regulations. Graduates go on to work for top companies such as Walker Engineering and Amber Electric. Texas is ranked number 2 in the nation for hiring electricians, and the average salary is over $55,000. Plus, Texas shows the need for electricians is projected to grow over 18% in the years ahead, higher than the national average. So if you're looking for a career with a bright future, electrical construction may be right for you.